Hi guys, welcome to the Bosworth Community Center yoga class. In our last class, we talked about the flexibility of the upper body. Now today's class, I will guide through the asanas which will make you lower body flexible and supple. So let's come back to chair, any comfortable seated posture. Make your spine straight, take a deep clenching breath and relax. So when you are relaxing, you can drop your back on the back of the chair. After a couple of minutes of relaxation, let's come back to yoga practice. So, sitting up tall and straight, use your both hands so you can hold the sides of the chair. So, sitting area, both sides, you are holding with your hands. Take a deep clenching breath, lifting your both legs as much as you can and breathing out to drop. So we will do for 5 breaths. That will help to warm up all the nerves what you are having in your legs. So inhalation, stretch your legs up. If you are not comfortable lifting your both legs together, you can do one by one. Exhalation, relax and drop. 3 more. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Beautiful. Inhaling, lifting your left leg as high as you can. Exhale, drop. Inhale, lifting your right leg. We will do 6 times. Exhale, drop. So 3, 3, both legs. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, drop. Inhale, right. Exhale, drop. Beautiful. Inhale, left leg up, up, up. Exhale. And inhale, right leg up. Exhale. Now you must be feeling warmth in your both legs. Relax your legs. Fold your legs by your knees and relax. Now you are still holding the sides of the chair. As you inhale, left leg up. Open your left leg going to your left. Exhale, jumping over your right thigh. So let's do 5 times with your 5 breaths like beautiful and drop. Let's change 5 times with your left leg. Let's focus on your right one. So inhale, right leg towards right. Exhale, jumping over your left thigh. 5 times with your 5 breaths like repeat with your left leg. Repeat with your right leg. Do it in your own pace. Do as faster as you want. Go with your own breath. So no need to follow my breath. You can follow your own breath. Now relax your legs. Relax. Once your both legs are relaxed, lifting your both legs up. Inhale, pull your toes towards your heart. Exhale, push towards the earth. So we will do 10 times like and you will feel amazing by giving your legs these kind of a stretch. You'll feel such a revitalizing power in your both legs. So I suggest you should be doing these asanas every day. So combined with your arms, what you had in your last class, with your legs. After we are moving to next asana. So lifting your left leg up, just locking your fingers behind your left thigh, so back of your thigh, and make 5 circles with your knee. So like knee rotation with your breath. So movement and your breath should be coordinated. Anti-clockwise. Don't be conscious. You can enjoy looking left and right. Change your leg and enjoy. If you are sitting in the garden, enjoy the nature. But if you are sitting at home, don't do in front of your TV. Anti-clockwise or phone. 2, 3, 4. sleep, because your mind should be free. Your mind shouldn't be engaged in other activity. Your mind should be completely on your body. So do you feel good? And now interlock your fingers once again, back of your thigh of your left leg, and like gentle, you're kicking the ball gently, not too much. So don't do that. That's not good for your kneecaps. Very gently, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like you're opening and closing. 9 and 10. Now changing your leg, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Beautiful. Now we are going on, after knees, going on ankles. So again, lifting your left leg, interlock your fingers behind your left thigh, and ankle rotation. So 5 times with your breath, like anti-clockwise. Beautiful. Let's change your leg, and opposite leg clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Beautiful. Drop down. Now relax your both legs for a bit. Drop your both hands on the top of your thighs and close your eyes. Focus on your legs. Take a deep cleansing breath. When you are ready to exhale, relaxing your both legs, like you are dropping your both legs, surrendering your legs completely to the earth. After 2 to 3 breaths, let's do some more movement, which is good for the flexibility of your joints, your knee joints between thigh and your hips, and your ankle joints. So lifting your left leg, only this asana is optional. If you don't feel comfortable in this way, don't worry, or maybe you can try a bit, like if you are not very comfortable sitting like that, you can lift as much as you can. Okay, and now rotate your ankle 10 times. So 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise. And anti-clockwise. You must be hearing the sound of aeroplane. Lovely. Once you've done that, left hand on your left knee, only if you can do that. So inhale, press your knee down. Oh, it sounds, or it feels so good. Deeper stretch in your hamstring. Exhale, relax. Inhale, press down. Exhale, relax. We will do 3 more. Inhale, press down. Exhale, relax. Inhale, press down, down as much as you can, and exhale, relax. Inhale, exhale. Lovely. Let's change your leg. So right hand on the top of your right knee. Inhale, press down. Left hand can give support to your right ankle. Exhale, relax. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Beautiful. Inhale deep, exhale to relax. Inhale deep, exhale. Lovely. Drop your leg down. Now lifting your both legs, and we will do movement, so up and down movement with our breath, like this is called scissor posture, like a scissor, like you are cutting a paper or cloth. So 10 times. Relax. We will have 3 rounds of this scissor posture. 2 more. 10 breaths. We are counting 10 breaths. Don't focus on your counting. I'm here to count. You just do the movement. Relax. Last round. You are doing very well, guys. Keep on doing. All the hardest part gone. This is the fun part. So inhale and exhale. How do you feel? It's amazing, isn't it? Relax. Lovely. Fold your legs. Shake your both arms. Now you can do a bit with your legs. You already done. But combined arms and legs together. Beautiful. Now we are ready for deeper breath. So we will end up our today's yoga class with very deep breath. So inhale. Open your heart center. Push your chest forward. Exhale in Namaste. Let's do 10 breaths like. And 10. Now you guys must be visualizing the blessings of sun over my face. Sun is shining. Hope we all will get same sunshine in our everyday's life. Now this is time to sit back. So bringing your hands together in your heart center. Any wish you want for yourself, for your family, for your friends to make your yoga practice more effective. And let's pray together for the peaceful world. May all be happy. May all be free from disease. May all understand what is good for them. May none be subject to suffering. With this wish, we are ready to close our today's practice. But before I will leave, I will suggest you to do these asanas every day. If you can do 5 minutes, that's great. 5 minutes, then in that way, reducing your breath. Like we done today 10 breaths each asanas, you can reduce up to 5 breaths. So combined with the arms one, what we done on Monday. So Monday class and today's class together, it will take only 10 minutes. So bring your yoga practice in everyday's life and you will feel the benefit very soon. Have a lovely, bright and beautiful day. Bye-bye.